Not take too much time here, but this is true also. Eh? Who is beautiful? Male, male or female? Eh? Who? Eh? I tell to you honestly, one person asked the one boy, hey, tell to me, who is beautiful, male or female? Eh? Male, he is saying male. This is true. Well, why? Male is not going to the beauty parlor. Female going to the beauty parlor. If the female is beautiful, so why they are going to beauty parlor? Eh? Pardon? No, you are already beautiful. So why you are going? Beauty, you are beauty. Always you are saying this. This is true. Natural. Naturally you are beautiful. So why you are going? Rare male person are going to beauty parlor. Very rare, I think so. Or, huh? More beautiful, most beautiful.
They go again and again.
No, no. So then I sometimes will tell you one nice story. One boy, small boy, no? Maybe 3 or 4 years old. He went with his mother to some picnic. And then after picnic is going on, then almost picnic finished. And understand? Then rain coming. And then after a few minutes, that boy, small boy, he asked his mother, mother, where is my mother? Huh? No, where is my mother? He said, I am your brother. No, no, you are not mother. You are my auntie. I said, why? I am your mother. I cannot recognize you. When I came with you, that time very beautiful. That time mother, she told, listen my son. When I came with you that time, just I also came out from the beauty parlor. Now rain coming, all is what? Of makeup? Finished. Haribol. Eh? What? Eh? Yeah. Huh? This is the true. Lord creates the female very nice, beautiful. So no need to go beautiful. हाँ हाँ सब तो जाओगे हम भी जाएंगे कहाँ जा So just here use this word Mahaprabhu what is saying Vidya Bodhu Jivanam Vidya Bodhu Sarup hai so attractive here use this word Bodhu Bodhu means newly married bride that time her beautiful nice beautiful form at the time of marriage ceremony and everybody heard very nice beautiful at a form or not so Vidya Bodhu Jivanam here they use the word Vidya Bodhu Jivanam Jivan Sarup all types of knowledge automatically Radhini Shakti is coming that is called the stage of Bhavadasha Suddha Satta Visayatma Prema Suddhang Sambhavako Ruchi Vichitta Smarshana Kridaso Bhava Uchyate Suddha Satta Visayatma Prema Suddhang Sambhavako Ruchi Vich Chitta Marshana what do you call Suddha Satta Visayatma Prema Sammukha Bhava Ruchi भी चित्त स्मार्शिनो so bhav uchyate the bhav is coming that time that means is that on the platform of Sandhini then Sambhit and Hladini Shakti is coming Anandamudi and Hladini Shakti is coming when Hladini Shakti manifests in our heart that time our heart will be overjoyed Hladini Shakti is Sarupini Srimati Radhika she is the embodiment of pleasure potency of Krishna. Anandam Buddhi, Ananda is coming. when the lotus blossom, and everybody's heart automatically overjoyed. And in the same way, here Mahaprabhu explained the Vidya Badhu Jivanam Anandam Budhi Vardhanam. Then Anandam Budhi, the ocean of divine love, pleasure, and Ananda bliss automatically are coming in our heart. So first coming Suddha Sattva, then on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini, transcendental knowledge coming. And simultaneously, the one, this spontaneous, what is called, sprinkle bliss of Srimati Radhika. Then our heart will be overjoyed. So saying, Suddha Sattva Visayatma, Prema Sujjang Sambhavako, Ruchivit Chitta Smarsunam Kridasu, Bhavuchate. So that time is Lotus. For this we are Vidya Badhu Jivanam. All kinds of knowledge, ultimate transcendental knowledge manifest in your heart. Bhakti manifests one's heart. This symptom also. Jnana Vairagya Jat Ahitukam. Jnana means transcendental knowledge automatically manifests in your heart. Vairagya, you will detach from the material sense gratification. Vasudeva, what do you call? Prajojita Bhakti. If your bhakti manifests for Vasudeva, Krishna, this is a symptom. And Jnana Vairagya Jat Ahitukam. Jnana and Vairagya automatically come. Vairagya means detachment from the enjoying the material sense gratification. Because transcendental knowledge also coming. That time is slowly all your desire will not come to enjoy the sense gratification. There's a spontaneous. Bhakti manifest one's heart. This is symptom also. Coming or not. But which stage? This is the Bhava Dasha. When sadhak will come in the stage of Bhava Dasha, then automatically his no desire to come to enjoy the material sense gratifications. Because there are 9 external symptoms of Bhava. What is that? Chandra Bhartakalatang Bhakti Manusunnata Asabandhu Samutkanta Namagani Sadaruchi Asakti Tad Gunanukkane Prati Tad Vasati Stale Itturja Surajita Bhavankure Jane. Shantira Bhartakalatang Bhakti is a Bhakti. Bhakti means task. Tantra Bhartakarattam Bhakti Manusunnata Asabandhu Samutkanta and Nama Gani Sadaruchi. So much taste will come. Glorify pastimes of Krishna, Krishna Katha, Sarvanam Kirtanam. Nama Gani Sadaruchi. Asititar Gunanukkane. He is very eager to glorify pastimes of Krishna. This is the nature of Bhavadasa. He cannot stop his mouth. Always how to speak. Because so much gas. Pressure is coming. This is how to speak more and more and more. Nama Gani Sadaruchi. Asikta Gunanukkane. Pratitad Vasati Stale. He has so much love and affection, the pastime places of Krishna. And Krishna Lila Sthali. Always very eager to go to the pastime place of Krishna. What are you thinking? And when that day will come, I will go Vrindavan. When that day will come, I will go Navadevadam. Kavi Gaura Vane, Suradhani Tate, Haradhe, Ha Krishna Vole, Kandiya Viravo, Deha Sukha Chadi, Nana Lata Torutale. That's the Grand Pritya. Asa Bandhu. Asa Bandhu means only his one hope. Asa. How to attain the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. How to attain the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa. आशा भरी अमृत सिंधु मयि कथंचित कालो मयाति जालित संप्रतं ही कंचित कृपां विधस्स नैव किंग में प्राणी बरचु बकारी नापि. विलाप कुसुमांजलि. Srila Raghunath Das Goswami quoted these words. Asa bhari amrita sindhu. Only my own hope. What is my hope? How to receive on the sprinkled mercy of Srimati Radhika. So saying, Asa bhari amrita sindhu. Mai kathanchit kalo mayati jalita sampratang hi. Kanchit kripa vidhasta naiva king mein. Prani bharchu bakari napi. Hey Bakari Krishna. Krishna's name is called Bakari, who killed Bakasura. So for this regard, Krishna's one name is called Bakari. Then Krishna came in front of Raghunath Das Goswami, saying, "Hey Raghunath, and I am giving blessing to you. Take my mercy, kripa." But Raghunath Das Goswami he is saying, "Hey Bakari Krishna, I don't want your mercy." Very directly saying, Bakari Krishna. So what do you want? If Srimati Radhika will not give mercy, what is the meaning of your mercy? Asavarim Sindhu Kayam Asavarna Sindhu Mai Kathanchit Kalu Mayati Chalitan Sampratami Kanchit Kamim Kripang Vidhasana Iva King Me Kimga Baruchu Bakari na. So that means that time was the only one hope how to receive on the sprinkled mercy of Srimati Radhika. That is called Radha Kripa Katakshi. Manindra Vinda Vandite Tilaka Shoka Harini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhubi Lasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brajendra Sonu Sangate Kadakari Sasiyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhajana. Kripa Kataksha Bhajana. We know this is the one that sprinkle side the glands of Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa Kataksha. So you are saying Raghunath Das Goswami one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Kripa hi kevalam. Manjari Bhav means this way. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the highest prem, Manjari Bhav. This is one of the Charing Chira in this sloka explained. But Mahaprabhu, what did he distribute this? What is that thing? What is that Manjari Bhav? If you want these things, that one pointed is Srimati Radhika. Radha, Radhaika Nishtha. One pointed with Srimati Radhika. Or second, you have to always stay in Braj. Only every day I am saying, repeating these words. Brajakari Vas, in Nikhil Japan, in Nikhil Karkaraha Japan. Always stay in Braj, Brajavas. Or third, always associate with high class exalted Rasika Vaishnava. Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasrita Vinda Atavi Tat Padankam Osambhasa Tadbhava Gambira Chittan Uta Sama Sindhu Rasasabagaho. If you want to submerge in the conjugal divine love of Srimati Radhika, just to follow the three principles. How many? Three. First, one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Meri Samini, मैं राधिन को दास जन्म जन्म मोदियो वृंदावन को वास. Srimati Radhika is my mistress. Radha Nishtha. Then second, always stay in Vrindavan, Braj Vrindavan. But where will stay in Vrindavan? Which place? Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu Me. Vrindavan, that place completely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Radha Adhipatta Vrindavan. But which place? Completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda Vas. The topmost place. Or third condition? What is the third condition? Tad bhakta sangha sada rasalila pramuka. Rasik Vaishnav ki sangha. Always associated with high class exalted Rasika Vaishnav. Rasika Yisaha. Listen Hari Katha, sweet pastimes of Krishna. Sweet pastimes of Srimati Radhika. Radha Krishna Lila Katha Smaranam. But Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying, if you not stay in Vrindavan, in your physical body, but always you stay in Vrindavan with your mind. This is the process of. I will stay in Vrindavan in your mind. Always remember Vrindavan Katha, Radha Kund Katha, Giriraj Govardhan Katha. This is the process. Our Raghunath Das Goswami, he is completely one pointed with Srimati Radhika. To stay in anywhere physically. शरीर के द्वारा कहीं भी रहे, किंतु मन के द्वारा कहाँ बस करे? वृंदावन राधा कुंड गिरिराज गोवर्धन. Always listen this katha, Vrindavan katha. Radha Kundam. Because Radha Kunda means not even Srimati Radhika. Or second, a third, Brajarasik Sadhu. Two kinds of sadhu. One is called Granth Bhagavat and is called Bhakta Bhagavat. Don't confuse. What do you say? Granth Bhagavat and Bhakta Bhagavat. If not available always Bhakta Bhagavat sadhu, so what will do? Read Grantha. That is called Grantha Bhagavat. And Gaura Bandha Goswami explained this way. The Bhakta Bhagavat, that is called Jivanta Bhagavat. Use this word. Jivanta Bhagavat, alive Bhagavat. But always not available. Jivanta Bhagavat. So what will do? Read Srimad Bhagavatam. Read yourself. Why not? Gurudev, many books, many granthas is there, many Hari Katha. You listen, you read that grantha. You are not alone. Guru and Vaishnava always with you. You are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. That means you are associated with Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Grantha Bhagavat, and simultaneously Bhakta Bhagavat is coming. So read this way. Chaitanya Charitamritam, Srimad Bhagavatam, Goswami's Grantha is very important. Understand? Every day read Srimad Bhagavatam. Then one day Krishna Prem will manifest in your heart. But Prem manifest in your heart, that time one thing will come. What happened? You cannot stay longer in this body. Who wants Krishna Prem? Raise one hand. You want? Raise two hands. But you know, if Krishna Prem manifests in your heart, then soon we leave your body. You want to leave your body? Sometime. No. Don't give up your body. Why? No, do bhajan and sadhana. Very easy to leave, easy to stay. body, but not so easy to leave your body. देह त्याग देना इतना सहज नहीं है. Do you understand what he say? Not easy to leave your body. You are thinking leave your body. Understand? Who wants to leave your body? No one. Once one old lady, that's Gurudev told one katha. Just I'm saying Gurudev katha. One old lady, she was collecting some wood in the forest, and about 90 years old. And in India, very poor lady, just to collect the wood, and that wood she selling in the market. Understand? In this way, just some little money coming, and she maintained her life. So one day, she collect lot of wood, too much, and at the same time, he has too much pain coming in his back. Back pain coming or not? Your back pain coming? Arina, you are young. When you 60, then back pain comes. Why? Now work more, so much. So now that old lady, when she was collecting the wood in the forest, that's so much back pain coming. Then she's just continuously saying, "Oh, Jam Maharaj, he's looking to everybody, but not looking to me. I'm 90 years old and with so much back pain. I have to leave my body." Just she is saying, "Oh, Jam Maharaj looking to everybody, but not looking to me, not coming." In the meantime, Jam Maharaj appeared. Understand? Then Jam Maharaj asked, that time she asked, "Who are you?" "I'm Jam Maharaj. You called me, for this regard I have come. And I have to take you my place, Jamalok." And that time she afraid. And she told, "No. And I call you because today I collect lot of wood, but no one to help to me." Look, understand? Or you are saying, "I will give up this body." But when the time of death will come, not so easy to give up. Do you understand? People are saying, attachment, too much attachment in our bodily attachment, देहासक्त. too much देहासक्त, देह में अधिक आसक्त होने से हम शरीर को छोड़ना नहीं चाहते. Now you are normally you are saying, "I give up my body and I am suffering the. But when your time will come, that's not so easy. You understand? Because we love this body also. You love your body or not? Tell honestly, yes. Or you love this body. For this regards, all kinds of root of anarthas, dehasakta. Dehasakta, we are attached with this body. And you love this body. These are things. So for this regard, no one give up this body. Only when is any pain coming or any circumstance that I go, I am not give up this body. And when Jam Maharaj will come, that no, I don't want to give up. How possible give up this body? My nice wife, husband, children, wealth, money, everything is here. Do you want to give up your body? No one. But you understand your question? Understand? So don't you think, "Yeah, I'll give up my body." You say always, "No, I have to stay in this body more." Why? Because I do bhajan and sadhan. And if you think I give up this body, this is not good answer. Or you think, "No, I have to stay in this body." Why? I do more and more serve Guru and Vaishnava. You understand? If I give the body, where will go? Again come.
So many sins on the Lord.
Huh? So many?
So many
People buy things to maintain their body.
Taking care. They're the mundane people. I mean, they devotees, they don't want. You know. Hey Krishna, give me long life. I serve to you. Eh? You understand? They think, and then more and more serve to you. And if I give up my body, what happens? Nothing. And only because this human body, we can serve to Krishna. Govinda Seva. And next life we'll get the human body or not, who knows? What will say Bharat Maharaj? He did not get the human body. He got which body? Dear body. Because that time he was thinking, oh my God, now in my dear body has come, I can't do serve to Krishna. I can't no chant holy name. Eh? Look this. So human body, and the human body is very rare. So in this human body, you can serve to Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Good or not? Eh? So devotee, they are saying, Bhajite bhojite samaya asile e deho chadiya deva. Bhajite means to servicing to Guru and Vaishnavas. When my predicted time will come, then automatically will give up this body. As like snake. And comes out from his skin. And skin is there. But snake already gone. In the same way, when our predicted time will come, then we'll give up this body and attend about the Lord. As like Narad Rishi told. Narad Rishi told his own life history to Vasudev. Hey Vasudev, in this way I was chanting holy name. And I was waiting for my predicted time. When my predicted time came, then I will give up this my material body, Panchabhutik there. And then I attain the abode of Lord. Then you have transcendental body. This is body is your material body, Jada Sarir, made by the 5 elements. But inside another body that is called subtle body, Man Buddhi Ahankar Chitta. In the subtle body, another body you have. That is called Atma Sarir. Very nice, beautiful form is there. And that body is called the perfect body to serve to Lord. And serve to Srimati Radhika. And in this material body, you cannot serve to Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Atma Dhyan. Tasang Madhye Manorama Nana Alankara. Tasang Madhye Manorama Nana Alankara Samjukta. Atma Dhyan is there. They are very nice, beautiful form. Everything you have, chanting holy names and servicing Guru and Vaishnava, then one day your spiritual body will manifest. You have everything. External body may be male body or female body. This is called the Jada Sarira. But you have transcendental body. If you are Madhurya Ras, Madhurya, understand? Conjugal mood, then your body, that is called female body inside there. Or if you are Sakha Bhav or Dasya Bhav, or Vatsala Bhav, maybe your body will be male body. Those who are Madhurya Bhav, sweetness mode, Madhurya Bhav, their body is called very nice, beautiful Gopi Sarir you have. Understand? This is the thing. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this way. Read Jaiva Dharma. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained This way. You have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabu Noy. Pravanadi Suddha Chitte Karha Uday. Uday means a manifest. You have everything. Eh? Just to chant holy names. Associate sadhu, listen Hari Katha. Eh? Then one day you realize yourself. Eh? So for this, again and again, I am every day, 4 times, 10 times, I am using same word. What the word? Self-realization, Atma, eh? Self-realization is the best realization. Atma Anubhuti karo. Eh? Understand? Eh? Always saying this. Anubhuti, realization. Yesterday I told. So for this regard, Devi Sati, Parvati, she asked Lord Shiva, "Oh my husband, Shivji, please tell something about your own realization, Anubhuti." Eh? Speaking many katha also. Eh? But you have to speak your own realization. Eh? Speaking many things, and you can take microphone, you can speak as you like. 1 word, 2 word, 5 word, blah, 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 blah. But what is your own realization? So for this regard, saying this. Eh? Self-realization, Atma Anubhuti. Eh? Yes. You have self-realization or not? Nothing. Eh? Atma Anubhuti karo. Yeah, I am not this body, I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Now we're saying, this is true or not? Yesterday I told. Eh? Parrot also chanting Ram Nam. Krishna, Krishna, not. Eh? Parrot is saying Ram, Ram, Ram. Eh? But when the cat jumped after me, that time he not chanting Ram Nam. What is chanting? Tan, 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 tan. In the same way. But when your self-realization will come, Atma, I am not this body. For this regard, our bhakti, 3 stages of bhakti. One is called Arup Siddha Bhakti, then Sangha Siddha Bhakti, then Sarupa Siddha Bhakti. And now you are practicing bhakti. This bhakti is called Arup. Arup means imposing. Eh? Just Guru Vaishnava saying, okay, this is Vigraha, this is Thakurji Sachidananda. We are saying this is Sachidananda. Eh? Worship Thakurji. Answer this. Arup, imposing. Then second stage, that is called Sangha Siddha. With the association of sadhu, all the good qualification will come. Eh? Jasasti Bhakti Bhagavati Akinchana. Huh? What is this slogan? Sarva Guni Samasate Sura. Harava Abhakta Kuto Mahad Guna. If Suddha Bhakti manifest, it will come. With the association with sadhu, then all good qualification will come manifesting. Krishna Jate Gun Bhaktiri Sanchar. And all the good qualification of Krishna. And in the manifest in the heart of pure devotee. And only 4 qualifications will not come. And that is Krishna's Rupa Madhurji, Leela Madhurji, Venu Madhurji, and Prema Madhurji. So saying this, Krishna Jate Gun Bhaktiri Sanchari. Sanchari means what? Eh? Sanchari, you have not, that is coming in there. And what is it? Sanchari. Krishna Jate Gun Bhaktiri Sanchari. Sanchari, going towards Krishna. This is all good qualifications to come with it. Eh? So saying the Krishna Jate Gun Bhaktiri Sanchari. Eh? This is coming. So in this way, all these qualifications will come. So good qualification will come. If you practice three types of bhakti, that is called Arup Siddha, then Sangha Siddha, then after Sangha Siddha, then Sarup Siddha. Sarup. You realize your own transcendent constant form, Sarup. Then you have this book, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu. Then in this book also discuss these things. Three types of bhakti: Arup Siddha Bhakti, Sangha Siddha Bhakti, and Sarup Siddha Bhakti. You read what is the meaning of Sarup Siddha Bhakti. And you have everything there. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. So don't want to commit suicide. Understand? How do you think, hey Lord, give me long life? And why? Because I will serve you, Lotus feet more and more. You give me many eyes. Ajutameva. You give me many tongue, I can glorify you. First times. You give me many ears, I can listen to Harikatha. Bolo, the parikrama. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Ram. Aarti karo. Ki Jai. Understand? Not understand, no problem, but understand. Acha, Aarti now 2 o'clock, ne? Then again our next program. What time?
Starts at 6 o'clock. I want you to be
6:30.
there. And it's 35 minutes.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai. Jai Jai Sri Ram. गाओ भाई, हरि बोल।
I'm scared he may wake up.
He will wake up.
Yeah, hold this. Do it one or two. Do it 2 or 3 times. Or... Radha